Here's how to get that peace back. Welcome. There was a time when home felt like rest. A place where your body could finally let go. For many people today, that feeling is gone. Home does not feel unsafe. It just does not feel peaceful anymore. If you have noticed that you cannot fully relax at home, you are not imagining it. And you are not alone. In this video, we are exploring why home often stops feeling restful, and how you can gently bring that sense of peace back. If you care about emotional well-being and creating a healthier home environment, consider subscribing. Why home feels different now. Modern homes are filled with constant stimulation. Screens, noise, clutter, artificial light, unfinished tasks. Even when nothing is wrong, your nervous system never fully powers down. Rest requires safety and quiet. Most homes no longer provide either. Your nervous system never switches off. Your body needs signals that it is safe to relax. Soft light, stillness, fresh air, visual calm. When your environment stays busy, your body stays alert. This creates mental fatigue, tension, and emotional heaviness. Too much visual information. Your brain processes everything you see. Clutter, piles, open storage, and unfinished projects keep your mind engaged. Even subtle mess prevents full rest. A calmer visual field allows your nervous system to recover. Sound that never stops. Background noise feels normal, but it keeps the brain awake. Appliances, traffic, television, notifications. Silence is rare now. And without silence, true rest is difficult. Lighting that works against you. Many homes use bright or cool lighting long into the evening. This confuses your internal clock. Your body stays in daytime mode. Sleep becomes lighter. Evenings feel unsettled. Air that feels heavy. Poor airflow and indoor pollutants create a sense of stagnation. You may feel tired, foggy, or uncomfortable without knowing why. Fresh air supports clarity and calm. Simple changes that restore peace. You do not need a perfect home. You need a supportive one. Lower lighting in the evening. Reduce noise when possible. Clear visual clutter slowly. Let air move through your space. Create small moments of stillness. Peace returns through accumulation, not perfection. So in summary, here are the reasons home may no longer feel restful. 1. Constant stimulation. 2. Visual clutter and unfinished tasks. 3. Background noise without silence. 4. Artificial lighting that disrupts rhythm. 5. Poor airflow and stagnant air. 6. Lack of intentional rest zones. 7. No clear transition between day and rest. So, if your home does not feel restful anymore, it does not mean you failed. It means the world changed. And now, you are allowed to change how you live within it. Small adjustments can restore comfort, calm, and emotional safety. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more ways to support your well-being at home. Wellness begins at home.